Stem cells are unspecialized cells that have the ability of renewing themselves through cell division. Stem cells have the remarkable potential to develop into any type of cell in the body during life and growth. There are three types of stem cells: adult, cord, and embryonic. Research on these cells is a very hot topic in the science community. There's a long-lived debate on whether embryonic stem cells should be used in scientific research. The research is necessary to further our knowledge in stem cells' abilities to assist in saving lives and helping people in need. Stem cells are taken from blastocytes. This could be looked at as a pro or a con. Some people see it as a pro because it can be cultivated 5 days after fertilization, which means that it's not yet living. However, some people see it as a con because they believe that life begins at conception, and in order to research the stem cells, the embryo is destroyed. Republican Senator Bill Frist from Tennessee states, "I am pro-life. I believe human life begins at conception. I also believe that embryonic stem cell research should be encouraged and supported. An embryo is nascent human life. This position is consistent with my faith, but to me it isn't a matter of faith, it's a fact of science." There are more stem cells available in the embryo than in the adult or in the umbilical cord, and they can be kept alive indefinitely. Stem cells have the ability to self-replicate, thereby ensuring a continuous supply of stem cells throughout the life cycle. Stem cells have the potential to cure diseases. They have the ability to treat Parkinson's disease, stroke victims, and spinal cord injuries. It can also be used as an alternative to radiation and cancer treatments. John Danforth said, "My entire political career, I voted pro-life. That is exactly why I am in favor of stem cell initiative. I believe in saving human life. I want cures to be found." So what's the holdup in stem cell research? Funding. It's very difficult to get funding for research that isn't entirely supported. With the debates over abortion, it shines negative light on stem cell research, so it's really hard to get people to donate for it. According to Parberg, the U.S. still leads the world in the stem cell research race, despite the funding restrictions. So if we still lead the race, then if we could get more people to donate, we could research a lot more about stem cells. There are 3 actions you can take to increase the research on embryonic stem cells. You can vote yes for the stem cell research if presented the opportunity. You can educate yourself and others about the benefits of stem cell research. And you can also donate to help fund the research. This is a pie chart telling us percentages of people that agree or disagree with stem cells. 34% of people strongly agree to research stem cells, 24% somewhat favor it, 11% somewhat oppose it, 15% strongly oppose stem cell research, and 13% just don't know anything about it. So if you want to go to politics, Republicans and Democrats both 60% are for stem cell research, 35% are against it, and the Independent Party, 65% are for it, and 30% are against it. So it's kind of, can go either way. These are some other things that stem cells could help, such as brain injuries, learning deficits, Alzheimer's disease, wound healing, and bone marrow transplantation is currently established. It can also help myocardial infarctions or heart attacks, muscular dystrophy, diabetes, and just all kinds of different things that stem cells could help treat or maybe even cure. There is a long-lived debate on whether embryonic stem cells should be used in scientific research or not. If you now feel that the embryonic stem cell research should be supported, don't forget to vote. Help raise awareness by doing your own research and even going to some group seminars. And you can also donate for the funding by going to www.stemcells.nih.gov.